Antonym. Antonym. A word that expresses an opposite meaning. Connote. Connote. Express or state indirectly. Definition. Definition. A brief explanation of the meaning of a word or phrase. Denote. Denote. Have as a meaning. Diacritical. Diacritical. Capable of distinguishing. Entry. Entry. An item inserted in a written record. Etymology. Etymology. A history of a word. Lexicon. Lexicon. The words associated with a particular subject. Meaning. Meaning. The message that is intended or expressed or signified. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. The manner in which someone utters a word. Sense. Sense. A general conscious awareness. Synonym. Synonym. A word that expresses the same or similar meaning. Usage. Usage. The act of employing. Terminology. Terminology. A vocabulary associated with a particular subject.